Welcome to our Intro to A-Plus Content. A-Plus Content is a promotional tool for brand owners or sellers internal to the brand. It can help magnify a brand's footprint in the Amazon store and prepare those with listing privileges to use brand-specific advertising tools. It also allows for enhanced images, text placements, and product comparison charts, which brands can add to their product detail pages to inform and inspire purchases. To be eligible for A-Plus content, you must be a professional seller and registered as the brand owner of that particular ASIN. You can register yourself as the brand owner through Amazon Brand Registry. Emerging brand owners who are approved for certain selling programs are also eligible. Now, let's review the core features of A-Plus content. You can add and update A-Plus content anytime from its homepage. To access the page, open the Seller Central main menu. Hover over Advertising and click A-Plus Content Manager. From there, you'll follow the prompts for building enhanced product content, additional brand content, or both. This is where you can upload detailed product images, additional text placements, and product comparison charts to provide more comprehensive descriptions of your products. You can also create and reuse content that tells the brand's story and builds brand awareness on each product detail page. You don't need coding experience to use A-Plus content, and it can be an effective way to answer customer questions, inspire purchases, and drive traffic to a brand's store. The A-Plus Content Manager makes it easy to apply content to each product of a registered brand. It even updates content across product detail pages whenever you make a change. Note that new A-Plus content can take 1 to 2 weeks to appear in the Amazon store. There are 3 types of A-Plus content: A-Plus brand story content, basic A-Plus content, and premium A-Plus content. All 3 can be found on the A-Plus Content Manager page. You can use A-Plus brand story content to help your customers learn about your brand's history, values, and product lines. You have the choice of using it within a carousel experience and also with both basic or premium A-Plus content. Basic A-Plus content is what has been described in this video. Using basic A-Plus content, you can provide more details on the product detail page, including unique images and text layouts, product comparison charts, and bulleted and numbered feature lists. With premium A-Plus content, you have all the features that basic A-Plus content has, as well as enhanced features such as larger images, interactive hover hotspot modules, and a navigation carousel. Note that premium A-Plus content has its own eligibility criteria. You must have already published A-Plus brand story content to all ASINs within your catalog, and you must have had at least 15 A-Plus content project submissions. A-Plus content can help customers engage with a registered brand and its products. After you've set it up, you can start using brand-specific advertising tools to help drive customer traffic to your brand. And our A-Plus recommendations on the A-Plus Content Manager page can help you identify high-traffic ASINs to make the most use of A-Plus content or to improve existing efforts. This concludes our Intro to A-Plus Content. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon store!